Hello, everybody. There are certain thoughts that make you sick. These thoughts are called negative thoughts. Now, when negative thoughts get lodging into your mind, they make you a defeatist person. You accept defeat without facing your problems. Okay? And what we should do is we should just remove all those negative thoughts from our mind. And what you can do for that is fill your mind with all positive thoughts so that no space is left for the negative thoughts to get a lodging into your brain or mind. Okay, so with this, I will start today's work. The first word for today is minion. Minion. Minion means a servile dependent, a person who acts like a slave or a servant for his or her subsistence. Example, he was always accompanied by several of his minions because he enjoyed their subservience and flattery. Next word is minuscule. Minuscule. Minuscule means extremely small. Example, why should I involve myself with a project with so minuscule chance for success? Most of the time, our failures are results of minuscule efforts that we put in our work. Next word is minute. Minute. Minute means extremely small. It is just a synonym of minuscule. But minute is used in terms of physical dimensions. Example, the twins resembled one another closely. Only minute differences set them apart. Next word is minutia. Minutia. Minutia means petty details, usually used in plurals. Example, she would have liked to ignore the minutiae of daily living. Next word is mirage. Mirage. Mirage means unreal reflection, optical illusion. Mirage actually occurs in desert where there is no water, but from distance due to reflection of sunlight you get an illusion that there is a lake or a water body. Example, the lost prospector was fooled by a mirage in the desert. Next word is mire. Mire. Mire means stick in swampy ground, entangle. Okay. Now, sometimes marshlands or swampy grounds you get stuck at that place, and if you move your feet you just go deep into the marsh area. So mire is actually entangle or stick in swampy ground. Example, the rear wheels of the vehicle became mired in mud. Actually here swampy ground does not mean the marshland. It only means some muddy land, muddy pit where you can get entangled. Next word is mirth. Mirth. Mirth means merriment. laughter. Example, sober Malvolio found Sir Toby's mirth improper. Your mirth at this sad occasion is improper. Next word is misadventure. Misadventure means ill luck, mischance. Example, the young explorer met death by misadventure. Actually, when somebody loses his or her life in adventure, it is called misadventure. Like if you jump outside of aircraft for parasailing and your parachute did not work, then you will definitely die, and that occurrence will be called as misadventure. Next word is misanthrope. Misanthrope. Misanthrope means one who hates mankind. Mankind, okay? A person who hates human beings is called misanthrope. Example, we thought the hermit was a misanthrope because he led a life of solitude away from our society. Next word is misapprehension. 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 Apprehensions are actually fears. Okay. Misapprehensions are something that you fear, or a fear of something that fear does not exist. So misapprehensions are error or misunderstanding, because certain fears are due to misunderstanding of the situation. Example, to avoid misapprehension, I am going to ask all of you to repeat the instructions I have given. Next word is miscellany. Miscellany. Miscellany means mixture of writings on various subjects. Example, this is an interesting miscellany of 19th century prose and poetry. Next word is mischance. Mischance. Mischance means again ill luck or bad luck. Example, by mischance, he lost his week's salary. Next word is misconstrue. Misconstru. Misconstrue means misjudge, interrupt, interpret incorrectly. Okay, misunderstand. It's called misconstrue. Example, she took the passage seriously rather than humorously because she misconstrued the author's ironic tone. Next word is miscreant. Miscreant. Miscreant means villain, wretch. Example, his kindness to the miscreant amazed all of us who had expected to hear severe punishment pronounced to him. Miscreant is someone like felon, heinous criminal, or villain. Next word is misdemeanor. Misdemeanor. Misdemeanor means minor crime. Example, the culprit pleaded guilty to a misdemeanor rather than face trial for a felony. Now, actually, when you are tried for felony, your punishment sentence would be severe. And if you are tried for misdemeanor, the judge will become lenient while giving sentence for your case. Next word is miserly. Miserly. Miserly means stingy, mean, means economical, thrifty, means spending very less to the required amount is called miserly. Example, the miserly old man hoarded his coins not out of prudence but out of greed. Okay, so miserly means greedy for money. Example, misgivings. Misgivings are doubts. Example, Harry described his misgivings to Rajesh but decided to fence with Jack despite his foreboding of evil. We all must clear our misgivings, otherwise, we will suffer. Next thing is, next word is mishap. Mishap. Mishap means accident. Example, with a little care, you could have avoided this mishap. You all might have heard of news stories regarding train mishaps when two trains collide head on. Then it is called train mishap or accident. Lot of people lose their life in such accidents. Next word is misnomer. Misnomer. Misnomer means wrong name, incorrect designation. Example, his tyrannical conduct proved to all that his nickname King Eric the Just was a misnomer. Next word is misogamy. Misogamy. Actually, the word miso means hated. We have already read about this in Miss Anthro. Okay, and gamy means relating to marriage. So misogamy means hatred of marriage. Example, he remained a bachelor because of misogamy, not because of misogamy, but because of ill fate. His fiancée died before the wedding. Next word is misogynist. Again, word miso is added to gynist. Gyn is related with the woman, so hater of woman is called misogynist. Example, she accused him of being a misogynist because he had been a bachelor all his life. Next word is missile. Missile. Missile is object to be thrown or projected. Example, scientists are experimenting with guided missiles. Next word is missive. Missive. Missive means letter. Example, the ambassador received a missive from the Secretary of State. Actually, political diplomats receive missives of invitation from different countries. Next word is mite. Mite. Mite means very small object or creature. A small coin. Example, gnats are annoying mites that sting. Actually, gnats are small sized insects, and because of their small size, they are called as mites. Next word is mitigate. Mitigate. Mitigate means appease. Appease. Mitigate also means to remove or overcome something. Example, nothing he did could mitigate her wrath. She was unforgiving. Now, when you lodge a complaint in municipal corporation regarding the social issues, if the concerning Official takes corrective action. His action act as act to mitigate your problem or remove your problem or lessen the intensity of your problem. Okay, so in that sense also we can use mitigate. Actually, public servants work for the public to appease them, to mitigate the problems of the public. Next word is mnemonic. Mnemonic. Mnemonic means pertaining to memory. Example, he used mnemonic tricks to master new words. Next word is mobile. Mobile. Mobile means movable, not fixed. Example, the mobile blood bank operated by the Red Cross visited our neighborhood today. Mobile medical facilities are run by government to provide medical facilities in rural areas. Next word is mode. Mode. Mode means prevailing style. Example, she was not used to their lavish mode of living. Next word is modicum. Modicum. Modicum means limited quantity. Example, although his story is based on a modicum of truth, most of the events he describes are fictitious. If you put modicum of efforts into your work, you will always enjoy mediocre existence. Means you will always remain a part of the crowd. Next word is modish. Modish. Modish means fashionable. Example, she always discarded all garments that were no longer modish. Next word is modulation. Modulation means toning down of something, changing from one key to another in music. Example, when we when she spoke, it was with quite modulation of voice. A good singer is known for his or her voice modulation. Next word is mogul. Mogul. Mogul means powerful person. Now this word is actually an outcome of Mughals who ruled India for several years. They enjoyed power over the region for several years. Okay, so Mughal means powerful person. Example, the oil Mughals made great profits when the price of gasoline rose. Next word is molecule. Molecule. Molecule means the smallest particle, one or more atoms of a substance that has all the properties of that substance. It is related with the chemistry. Example, in chemistry, we study how atoms and molecules react to form new substances. Next word is mollify. Mollify. Mollify means soothe. Soothe. Example, we tried to mollify the hysterical child by promising her many gifts. Next word is mollycoddle. Mollyycoddle. Coddle itself means pamper. Mollycoddle means indulge excessively or pamper excessively, then it is called mollycoddle. Example, Don't mollycoddle the boy. You will spoil him. Actually, pamper means to treat gently, and it is believed that if you treat a child more gently, you would spoil him or her. Every child needs a taste of discipline. Okay, so with this, I will end today. This is the last word for today. Thank you.